Welcome to the world of expert networks, where clients connect to the specialists via standard Zoom call. Expert network companies schedule calls between clients and experts for day-to-day activities using standard video conferencing tools. However, the option to customize and anonymize these calls is not available within the standard Zoom meetings. Using the standard Zoom application, you don't have an option to disable video, screen share per call basis, or display a custom screen name for participants, or disallow chat option. Or most importantly, have a compliance officer monitoring the call without letting the participants know. Introducing our end-to-end solution, customized Zoom app for expert network, Connect. Connect Meeting App. With our deep experience in expert network domain, we've created a powerful and user-friendly meeting app that streamlines the Zoom experience for businesses of all sizes. This allows the expert network companies to create meetings using our custom Zoom meeting app. From personalized widgets, user and role management, to custom audio announcements before the meeting, our app is designed to make video conferencing more efficient and effective. Our Connect Meeting app offers a wide range of customization options, allowing you to tailor the Zoom experience to your specific needs. Connect Admin Panel. With Connect Admin Panel dashboard, you can be confident that your custom meeting needs are being met, no matter where your clients and experts are located. Connect's Admin Panel allows you to efficiently manage meetings, users, roles, screen share, video and chat, ensuring that your video conferencing experience is seamless and secure. You can also add a hidden compliance officer to the meetings to address concerns as needed. Connect app is compatible with iOS family devices, iPhone, iPad, and MacBook, as well as web browsers like Chrome and Safari. Contact us today to learn more about the Connect Zoom dashboard for network experts and take your video conferencing to the next level.